Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you super stunning and lovely ideas of crochet blankets, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen for order purpose. If you are from Pakistan, you can just contact on the WhatsApp number which is given on screen and book your customized order of these beautiful crochet blankets or any other crochet product. Indeed, because from all over Pakistan, you can contact on this WhatsApp number 034563000924 and send the screenshot of the design or product you want to have for yourself or for your family members, and a timeline would be given to you according to the requirement of your project, and it will be delivered to you at your home address within the timeline which will be given to you. And you can have very attractive and beautiful crochet products at your doorstep within 10 to 15 days mostly. So all these designs, as you can see, are super attractive and lovely. These are easy chair blankets designs and sofa blankets designs, and these are perfect for baby blankets as well, because size is almost the same as of baby blanket. So you can have these type of beautiful blankets for your babies or for yourself. You can see very attractive and gorgeous contrasting color schemes are used in these designs. You will see one row repeat pattern designs, two row repeat pattern designs, and you will see patchwork designs in this video as well. So all different types of designing ideas are included, and all of them are super unique and attractive. You will see granny strip designs as well, like this one, which is having color block patterns in it, looking very stunning and unique. And you can see different types of border edge patterns on these designs too. You will see pom-pom border edge pattern, you will see shell stitch patterns of borders on these blankets, and some of them are without any border as well, like this one, which is having strips of color blocking designs, also looking very unique and different. So all different types of designing ideas with different patterns are included in this video, having different color schemes. So you can just send the screenshot on WhatsApp number 034563000924 if you are from Pakistan, and book your order and have it on customization with specific pattern in color scheme of your own choice and with the size you want, and it will be delivered to you within 10 to 15 days. So book your order right now and have these beautiful crochet blankets or any other crochet product. So stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads on this channel too. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye.